It's time for cooking with Finn. He's got the fun and the vim. Outside or in the kitchen. Come along, cooking with Finn.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Finn. Today we're going to be making pesto. First things first, ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of fresh basil, 1 cup Romano or Parmesan Reggiano cheese, 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2/3 cup of nuts of your choice, and 6 garlic cloves. To get the basil leaves, just carefully cut at the stem with a pair of scissors. Time jump! This much basil, it's unbasil-leafable. Now that we have all of our basil leaves, we're going to bring them inside and pick the leaves off of the stem. I wonder if the basil tastes good by itself. Nope, never mind. Once we gathered the correct amount of basil needed, I take the extra basil and put it in vases of water so that the basil will grow roots and we can replant them to use for another dish. Put all the basil leaves in the food processor. Cut the garlic cloves into smaller pieces and then put them into the garlic presser. Squeeze out the garlic into the food processor. I got this!
15 minutes later.
Still powering through. Almost got it. If I had to scoop out the last bits of garlic, nobody has to know. Put 2/3 cup of whatever nut you choose to use into the food processor. Shred the cheese, and once you've shredded enough, put 1/2 cup of shredded cheese into the food processor. Shh! It never hurts to steal a little bit of cheese. And it never hurts to add a little bit of extra cheese either. Personally, I like to add a little pinch of salt and add a little extra bit of flavor. Put the cap onto the food processor and make sure it's really tight before starting to blend. Measure out 1/2 cup of olive oil and put that into your mixture. When blending your olive oil into your mixture, you can add some extra in while pulsing your pesto. Everything is at your desired consistency. You can always take a little taste test to make sure it's up to your standard. Yum! Scoop it into a container to eat at a later date. Enjoy! This has been Cooking with Finn. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone!